Unsolved REPO custom authentication failed problem. So if you want to solve REPO custom authentication failed problem, then just watch this video. Custom authentication failures can stem from several factors ranging from simple connectivity issues to more complex server-side problems. So here are some of the most common reasons why players encounter this error in REPO. The first is server downtime or overload. REPO servers may experience high traffic, especially during peak gaming hours or major updates. If the authentication servers are overloaded, players may struggle to log in. The next one we have is connectivity issues. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt the authentication process, leading to failure, packet loss, typing, or intermittent connectivity can contribute to the issue. The third is corrupted game files. If certain game files are missing or corrupted, the authentication system may fail to verify your credentials, resulting in the error message. Next, we have firewall or antivirus interference. Security software on your PC may block REPO's authentication request, preventing the game from properly verifying your account. And the last one is because of account issues or bad. If your REPO account has been flagged or suspicious activity, or has been temporarily banned, you might see this error when attempting to log in. Now, here are some of the solutions. The first solution is checking your server status. So before troubleshooting your system, verify whether your REPO's servers are online. You can check the official REPO Twitter page, Steam forums, or community Discord for real-time updates. The second thing you need to do is restart your game in PC. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary authentication issues. The third you can do is verify your internet connection. So a stable internet connection is crucial for authentication. Ensure your internet is working properly. To check that, you can just simply go and restart your router or modem and then use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to check for hyping or packet loss. After that, you can check firewall and antivirus settings. Your security software might be preventing REPO from connecting to authentication servers, so try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus and see if that issue persists. The next thing you can do is verify integrity of game files. For that, you need to open up your Steam library and then right-click on your REPO and select Properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and select Verify Integrity of Game Files and wait for the Steam to scan and repair any missing files. And the last thing is update your REPO. Ensure you're running the latest version of REPO because developers frequently release patches to fix bugs, including authentication issues. These were the few solutions, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.